everybody, and welcome to my new shop. Yes, I had to move shops again. And while moving a workshop is usually a pretty big nightmare, if you have a bunch of maker friends, it can be quite fun. The idea was to gather 10 makers, and every maker picked a project, and we also decided to document the process so you guys can come with us on the adventure.
Hi, I'm Al from Al's Hack Shack, and I'm here to help Laura move into a new workshop. I've come to build triple-decker bunk beds for everyone to sleep in.
My name is Brett McAfee, and I'm here at Laura's to help build a silk screening station and print a poster for the event.
I'm Hassan, aka Habu. I'm here at Laura's shop to support her building up her things, and I built 2 welding cuts for her and a linseed oil rack burner, so stay tuned.
Now we had the maker power, but we also needed the power tools. And that's why I reached out to Nick, my friend from Hikoki. And he loved the concept and decided not only to supply us the power tools, but also to sponsor everybody's video. So big thank you to Hikoki for making all of this possible.
Hey, I am Sebastian, I'm from Hungary. My channel is called Olaris, and my project is a bench that you can fold out and use as a double bed.
I'm Steve from Moonshine Metalworks. Laura asked a few of us to come and give her a hand, so I'm here and I'm making a barbecue that's also a forge.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I am building a table. It's a screen printing station table.
Hey, I'm Kieski, and I'm visiting my friend Laura and try to help wherever I can. Set up the new shop and just be of any help to the maker community. Hikoki!
What I love most about this event is that we took something pretty negative and turned it into something very, very positive. And only because we are a community and we all love problem solving.
Hallo zusammen, ich bin der Lukas von Jenny Swiss. Ich bin da für einen grossen Tisch zu machen, für Laura ihr Nähstudio, Zuschnitttisch zum Stoffschneiden.
And I'm Lisa. We came all the way from Ohio to help our old friend Laura set up her new shop. Hey, I'm Ellen, and I'm here at Laura's shop for 2 weeks, helping her move, having some nice times with friends, learning about new tools, new techniques, and yeah, building a table and just whatever else Laura needs to make her workshop work. Oh, I'm so happy.
Since every maker picked a project and also made a video, we decided to release all 10 videos in a row, back to back. And we also made a schedule so you guys know what's coming and where to look for the next video. But there's also a playlist where you can find all the videos once they've been released. everybody who came out, who helped me do this, who helped me move into my new shop. And also thank you, Hikoki, for sponsoring this and for Sitzmudo. Okay. And for making this possible. Make sure to follow everybody's channel. There are links in the description. And also make sure to follow Hikoki UK. They have some extra giveaways on their Instagram channel and also some extra content for you. I also want to thank you guys for watching, and be sure to check out the first video on Sebastian's channel tomorrow. It's called Olaris, but there's also a link in the description. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon, and I really hope you enjoy this video series just as much as we did. Bye!